Hello, friend. Now, let's start a new topic. What is Tally in computer? Tally is an ERP accounting software package used for recording day to day business data of a company. The latest version of Tally is Tally ERP 9. Tally ERP9 software is one acclaimed financial accounting system and inventory management system with power computer. Now let's start another question is what is the first version of Tally? Tally 3.0 in 1990. Tally 3.0 is the first version of Tally that has been used for basic accounting needs of small businesses. But the software needs external and special commands to perform the operation, and it supports only Microsoft DOS. Now let's start another question is which Tally course is best? Certificate course in Tally, top colleges, syllabus, scope and salary. Mother Institute of Electronic Technology, Ahmedabad. Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Ramanujan College. Lakshya Institute of Skills Training, Andheri West. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Delhi. Now let's start another question is Tally a good course? ERP9 and hence a working knowledge of Tally is in great demand. Once you get the certificate from a Tally institute, it gives you an edge over other competition for a job. Tally will give a much needed boost to your career by enhancing your knowledge in accounting, inventory management, and taxation. Now, let's start another question is who is father of Tally? Shyam Sundar Goenka, Bharat Goenka, Tally Solution founders. Now, let's start next question is Tally good for job? Tally job in major cities is a great way to start your career. Now let's start another question is who is the developer of Tally? Shyam Sundar Goenka. Tally Solutions, then known as Pietronics, was co-founded in 1986 by Shyam Sundar Goenka and his son Bharat Goenka. Shyam Sundar Goenka was running a company that supplied raw materials and machine parts to plants and textile mills in southern and eastern India. Now let's start another question is Tally ERP free? Downloading accounting software is free. Once you download the accounting software, you must install it in educational mode. The educational mode allows you to learn and use Tally ERP 9 without buying a license. Now let's start a next question is, what type of software is Tally? Now, enterprise resource planning software. Purpose: Tally ERP 9 is a Windows based enterprise resource planning software. The software handles accounting, inventory management, order management, tax management, payroll, banking, and many such requirements of the business. Now, let's start another question is Tally a accounting software? Tally is an on-premise accounting solution that caters primarily to small and mid-size businesses across several industries. It provides business functionalities including accounting, finance, inventory, sales, purchase, point of sales, manufacturing, job costing, payroll, and branch management. Now, let's start. Another question is Tally hard to learn? No, Tally is not hard to learn. It's just a simple accounting software if you know the accounting basics. It's very easy to learn if you did your education in commerce stream. If you are non-commerce stream, it's easy also for them. Any course with your interest is simple to learn and easy to understand. Now, let's start. Another question is, what is the best accounting software for home 2020? The 8 best personal finance software options of 2020. Number 1, Quicken best overall, and number 2 is Mint best for budgeting. Then number 3 is YNAB best for habit building, and number 4th is Mevlops best for zero based budgeting. Number 5th is TurboTax best for taxes, and number 6th is Future Advisor best for investing. Number 7th is Personal Capital best for investment advice, and number 8th is Tiller Money best for spreadsheet management.